Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make expanding text in CapCut, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to make expanding text in CapCut. When you are in CapCut, click on the text tab. After that, click the plus icon. And now just type the text. For example here, hello. And here you can change the font size. You can change the font. Okay, for example this one. And here you can increase the font size. And when you are happy with that, after that click animation. And then out. And then just scroll down until you find expand. Yeah, this one, expand. Just click on it. And then here you can adjust the duration. Okay, for example, 1 second. And when it's done, then just look like this. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to make expanding text in CapCut. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.